Want to change your real GPS location on Android 16 without rooting your phone? No difficult setup, no strange apps, and no complicated commands. Today, I'm going to show you how to fake your location on apps like Life360, Pokémon Go, Snapchat, and more using Fonelora Location Changer. And the best part is that it works without root. A lot of free fake GPS apps online simply don't work anymore. Some stop working after a few hours, while others ask you to root your phone, which can make your device less secure and harder to use normally. That's why many people look for a safer and easier solution. Fonelora Location Changer is a program for Windows and Mac that lets you change your GPS location with just a few clicks. It works with Android 16, doesn't require root access, and you don't need technical experience to use it. With this tool, you can instantly change your location to almost anywhere in the world. Just choose a place on the map, click Move, and your GPS location changes immediately. Another useful feature is joystick mode, which lets you move your location naturally, almost like you are walking in real life. This program also allows you to create custom routes to simulate walking, driving, or traveling between different places without physically moving. That's why many users use it with apps like Life360, Pokémon Go, Tinder, Snapchat, and other location-based apps. Now, let's install the software. Go to the official Fonelora website and download the program for your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the software and connect your Android phone using a USB cable. The program will detect your device automatically. Next, choose the mode you want to use. If you want to change your current location, simply pick a place on the map and click Move. Within seconds, your phone location will update. You can also send fake locations through apps like WhatsApp or Facebook by sharing the new GPS position directly from your phone. And honestly, this is much easier than using all fake GPS methods. Fonelora is different because it's designed to work with newer Android versions, including Android 16. It's simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. So if you want an easy way to change your GPS location without rooting your phone, Fonelora Location Changer is definitely worth trying. You can find the download link in the description below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Android tutorial and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.